Hello everyone. And me har muleni ane start kurang inge. Ane me session naki astu me women in tech motives ane me in organize kura den spark habu support ko den event muli event astu facilitate me ko deni oxykain den anen hen aharmen initially me ane communications ga in hand you can see isse emena bes isse feneta. Just you can unmute and say if you can see him, you say yes.
Yep.
Orang masa sama ya kan boleh kan kau kan sama okay no.
Yes. Mihar ane isse no fenna mihum vese bati ibbenna do. Ehem vi mami puni isse identify kollashe.
Yep, auto mute coffee.
Okay. So ehem vi ma ane muli mi session ge aslu maganu gote gadane gote ki yahar men kuda kuda intro eka ekko ice breaker eka ekko start kurani start kon nimma hisabun isse hawa kollana den ane isse ge dane ane session na ekko session nimma mappahu kummesarka ane mi Q&A bayen innane ehmi masuwalta behetun rangal isse bunani isse hama wara welcome kurame discussions den muli eti interactive ko gendane ehmi maane mi session ga mi bunihen ane mi maganu gotegga harmen gendane kankamaki den amu gotegga mi muli mi session na ki harmen furatama mi ge planning gende ek general public ka genda session negge gote ekam ko we had an opinions taken hoda for balaliruga so covid da guliken warak ginatantanu work from home ane establish kurang ane procedures ta set kuramun dieru war eki kahala challenges ta ka dimavi ehemwima mediya so emihuna kihnetto aharmenna assist koddeveni ehemwima bada kommissarakan eveyane session ne ehennuniyama ehi mi kahala bike hala tools tan hurikama ehennuniya consider kuranje kankamaki kobato belumattaka aharmen ekamuli session plan kolli then ehemima ane kuriya diumuga gotun ane aharminge ane women in tech motives ke president neuma eburi ehemima neuma kuriya genda ane kommes warka ane aharminge ves introduction ne then ege fahun aharmin dani icebreaker eka.
Hi, Brianna Sarabada. Welcome. Wednesday with Women in Tech Maldives ki harmengane harmega furata me series ke furata session me Women in Tech me program me fashion as a series miya golwaga ngade future ka hama itur session taken harmen rawadana hama simida ek audience target koggen me initially me pechi boda organization taka office taka mi amas koggen mi initial session mi rawali hama mi gotan hama public an amas koggen na mi eki age group takan amas koggen ane mi Wednesday with Women in Tech Maldives ke dashum itur series taken harmen kuriya gendana then gina mi session na join kuri hama gina mana sigena kanek Women in Tech Maldives ki hama rajega mi STEM area ga hama hore mi bara bodang hama mi kuriyaruwa mastake kura NGO aharmen ge miyaharu ge hama bara boden amaze mi area ge awareness hama create kurun ade mi kahala mi program ta mi awareness ade training program ta organization taka public taka conduct kurma kaharmen ge bara boden miyaharu terega ehma this is one of our main programs miyahara kuriya gendana. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Neuma. Then adives FR Gunalanang ane mi oxykaeki tankolen namaka vedane oxykaeki aharmane bala ekeki solutions ta provide kodde agency hasu kodden aharme miyam meta mi wane rajyaga waram madu security mi engal misna hennuni ya service de by ehm me goda in leading agency oxykaeki then ane sparkapum aharme na support ko famini sparkabaki rajyage ane startup culture hennuni ecosystem e bina kuram anenghe masakka kura wara ade masakka kura young ane teaming in ane mi organization ne ehna company so mi ane emi hunge ve situru furusattan hama ek community edda ek kahala trainings ta kai awareness ehnunia talk shows tan ebade mi haru skuriya den ahar men komiswara ka fahun update kollanan ege buying information. Ehme den ane start kurumge gotun ane harmen mi buninda commissar kan ice breaker nge bagenname den miyan eba beenuwe MMS එක unmute kollam because mi එක interactive session naka gennam beenum wati ane just one word and a shape visnala mijeni security e bunima hitan annani ehnune visneni konkala shape ekka ane mic issues ule kama banya group chat gali unas okay just what's the shape ane mi figure kureve ane security e bunima hitan ara eche
shield
circle
spiderweb
yes disconnected lines
thale
Yeah. Thale.
encryption
ane happy
අනියන්නේ
happy jene kannege explain koddam mistake
okay hidayah koba hidayah what do you take it as me har ginai square circle me ginai inge then ginai lines then look me ai kon shape ek kamen nenge ane spider web wani circle lakato afsahu me har unmute kofa koba jawabu okay I think kanen hin aharmenna gaaganakan MMS baade kiya lokka war ginange baade mige teriyan inge ehemwi ma gaaganaka emmen hemmi cover kurewuni ehme mehiga balal mado isse over to you
Nimunita.
then adi nimma fa ituru mi ane shape me ane ade to visnan jehani do
Okay. Ane, hurihamenda ane screen fene do yaar.
Fene.
yes
yes
Then
Okay. So ane secure your workspace. Aslu poda meeti me target me kurani work from home implement kurayaru isnanje kantatta. Ekam ane this session is like about me 1.5 hours. Hevima margina area ta kavanu kuravene. Ekam maganu kotaka me muhimu areas ta I will try to touch. Then aslu ane furtama misalaka work from home implement kuram beenu vanya coach furtama bolam mi annani what do you need
awareness
internet connectivity though
the madu ane feedback mi annani aslu me hun engage kuram me beenu vani what do you think we need first to establish a work from home
computer
internet
Internet.
Wi-Fi
okay I'll just go ahead you need connectivity me connectivity me mana kurani waki VPN ennu you need connectivity e vedana cloud service provider එක misalaka gina me organizations takuga gina ennu aam gotaka hama email service එක cloud ga login koraru you don't need a VPN එක misalaka office teregen me waki system එක connect kuranya me beenu wani eya connect kurevene gote so what does a hacker really want They also want connectivity. When aslum venuvani connectivity, whether it's a hacker, whether it's someone who wants to start their work, they all rely on one thing basically, which is connectivity. We have very bad connectivity. And I think we should thank the service providers for keeping us safe. They rely on a good connectivity, internet speed. Then aslo ane demo ya echeka diomuge kuring ni kudago explain kolla midani kinekkan before work from home was implemented or before people started work from home kinekka me work kuramu midiye. So me ofi hegge ni kuda network. Basically you'll have a firewall switch and that me the minani ISP. In this case you only have one door. Emme door minani exit, which is through your firewall. Ekam mihar work from home implement kuran jehunima the same user midiyai office network vera. You can see that me am left side going connected to a router and who is going over to the internet. Then aslu ginatantaga me VPN implement kurani. I will say majority, over 90%, they do split VPN tunnels. Split VPN tunnels se bimana kori, you have two doors to exit. One door, then midani me internal network adimalla da hurihaich midani VPN tunnel koffa. Tivefunga misalaka corporate firewall ga touch koffa internal in web server. Ekam misalaka Facebook nuata me Google or whatever service you go to externally, that goes without any of this security. Ego to kabunanya me guard scala guard me hakuneti. You are connecting directly to the internet. So mihing wam feshima and there are a lot of chances that this specific me can become vulnerable. A kuriga vejja misala kamine link phone malicious file. At least firewall gets to play some role. Any outbound traffic to external, it's going directly without touching your corporate firewall or anything. The ginatanta split VPN tunnels mikurani because they can't route huriha internet traffic. Therefore, they bandwidth bottleneck kamiwani. Ema ofiha hamekani ofihuga network misalaka office king IP range ka wannanya ehuriha checkani mi route kurani mi corporate firewall. Then mi session ga suratama I will be covering connectivity, then a little bit about me connectivity ga security. Become data security I will not be touching because it's a very wide topic. Time frame terega ehuriha iche mi then me something I drew on paint. Then I understand online image. You can see basically the same thing is happening. Office network adanya VPN tunnel, game firewall or whatever through. Ekam internet adanya hama pero. The misalaka me first thing people need. Gina organizations midani varabuda dependent again. They don't have anything on-prem office terega host ko fa bavar viche. Emo jaitantana vara easy one work from home kurang bes. Vara Gina organization adivese bahuri legacy systems sa me HH amilla ofi huga host ko. So they need a way to securely connect. Then baitantaga me VPN and netives connect kurane. Misalaka me remote desktop directly ko bes connect ko fane. Eki gota connect ko fane me remote desktop pura hen tools tangala invest connect ko fane. But those are always they want to establish how to work from. Then order this session what we are going to focus is on implementing this connectivity part. Misalaka kobahe ega bottlenecks aki zero cost ga kihimetto kureveni. So I will be showing the presentation ga every password and nothing. Misalaka user doesn't have a password. Password badaluga minnadi. Me 6-digit OTP every time that is unique every 60 seconds. With two-factor authentication and using a key file. A key file, misalaka ginatanta bunefane, I got hacked timannage password negiye nota eki kame viye. But when you go for an implementation like this, password keeps rotating every minute. So less likely chance of it even being stolen. And on top of it, key file like ekko mikurani. So I'll just go back to this. Me miharwane me set up a lab environment. Me give a web server. Me a web server ga misalaka internal IP. Misalaka office terega in IP. So I want to connect to this. I can't because I don't have connectivity. Yeah. And what we are going to do is on a network, we're going to set up a VPN connection. In our ease of implementation, I will be using container. A tanko fase ko mite manage kollam again. Gina organizations kawai cheki VPN implement kuranya ves me firewall ga ebenuwa license and ethigang. They have a lot of issues trying to get a solution eche implement kura. Because Gina faru implement kura solutions takuga ves evis kala two-factor authentication ves nure. And now we are seeing more hama me Gina VPN providers taka me annani zero-day exploits. Misalaka Cisco is being targeted heavily, FortiGate is being targeted heavily. Now Sophos is also being targeted heavily. This is taking a little while and in this example, me DNS ka me use korani vpn.example.com. Then if it's called a DNS, I'm not entering it. And I'm just going to go modify my host file to connect to this. Indicator misalaka me config terega me routes that define koffa routes ke mane ki which networks you want it to connect to. Then me Google ga DNS I have put here so that I can use the Google DNS servers. So if you want waki network ka meeti ane route kurang, you can mention it easily in one line terega. Oh no. So I'm just generating the RSA key files. Hey, me come user ka key ka ekko me authenticate kurom balati setup ka. Then if you want the guide to do this or anything, you can just send me a query and I'll send it to you. Then me instead of the firewall, this OpenVPN server is going to help me connect to the Bernova internal link web server, which is this web server over here in the Mineg internal IP range. Then on my command, I'm just trying to create the user profile. So I'll just write over here is set. So that is done. Then we will Google and authenticator use kogen OTP use kogen and login kureve gotam hadalang. So I'll just write the user profile name. Then misala kamiyai and miti generate koffa. You can even try this URL in your browser, or you could just load it up. So a Bernova user eka and profile hedene. And I'll just put this on my authenticator app, Gadia. If you want, you can also use this. Then call Farako me. I can't show you the screen because now I'm using Google Authenticator. Basically, it will look like this. Every time, every 60 seconds, you will have a new password to connect to that VPN profile. Then we have a phone on the code. I'm going to try Mitag. 236. Okay, so it's good. මෙහර බිමනේ අනේ ජෙනරේට් කොල්ලි ප්‍රොෆයිල් හැම එකනේ ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කොල්ලන් කොෆේත යූස් කොගෙන් කනෙක්ට් කොල්ලන්. So I have the profile now. We'll just download OpenVPN client. We are a client. Pretty light and it's supported Hama, FreeHOS operating systems. Whatever you want to use, you can have a use it. So you can see here on is set me profile meaning. So using this profile when I try to connect again I have a password. So my password badaluga komme me request me use Kurani me live OTP key. The me OTP key brute force and no kurevana brute force coffee they will get the IP blocked. To the VPN. And if I go to what is my IP or whatever. Yeah, I'm still using my IP because I'm using a split VPN, which means hamekani me VPN nu define koffa hori and range ka ekani me route kurani, which is this range 10.104 Benuma range, and my web server is sitting at this range. So now through the VPN I can easily connect to it. So this is our secret website. So that is Hama. As simple as how you can implement OTP or key file to connect to a tunnel to a network to make it difficult for someone. Then for a me hun tunnel kura use kofan SSH Sama me private key use cooking. But here you get an advantage is to use the OTP on top of it. Okay, so that is that. Eme Nidita, ebole to miheko.
Ebole.
So how long did it take for us to set up a VPN?
$15 minutes, Tavi.
15-20 minutes kannenga doivi.
Yeah. So if someone uses a solution like that, they can easily implement at least a connectivity part. Then connectivity there is asluara user fasehawane when they don't have to remember our complicated password. Ega badaluga OTP yakun securely login koranya. It's very convenient for them. Then I will be talking Zoom Benum Kogen. Zoom ge ane vulnerability ankole famous way. The Maragina mi hu ane Zoom Benum Nukov Vestibi become a goal again. And now anyway, people are back to Zoom, I think. So Mikes Kaslumi Cheki, the attacker, they send malicious UNC me SMB me rogue SMB server. For him, Hamekani Mihem Minani, Mikada link and phone. So what happens here is when someone clicks on this link, phishing website go I check phishing link ka click kurima. You need to enter username ka password ka nukuranya. You don't fall for that bait. Mikes ka check this is much scary because like we said, you have two doors. AIP not the UNC denima. Me firewall ga hit no me bera midani, which is on port 445. So amuko home network golero there is no port filtering or anything hama explicitly any port ka connect kurevene beruga in server. So but if someone was using a full VPN tunneling, they could have mitigated this. But that's a headache. We have traffic ke anekka me core network ga hit ko phone. So anyway, me case kam you check the rogue on a server, it will ask misalaka, hey, can you pass me your NTLM on a authentication protocols ka waha kamida. Authenticate korar, can you send me your NTLM v1 to verify? It's a hash basically. A client would send that hash to the server. Then the server will say, okay, this hash matches in my database or domain going match where you are fine. We can give you access to the network. Mikes Kaslu cheki, the attacker is getting this hash. This hash is equivalent to giving away your password, username and password. Just clicking a link is equal to giving away. Then NTLM v1 vejia, attacker doesn't need to even crack the hash. They can hammer. Me login kurairos, they can use the hash. They don't need to even crack the hash. Password ekung ane login kurakos try kurakunu. If someone is trying NTLM v2, it will again send the hash. v2, the attacker will need to crack the hash. Then these are SMB based attacks. Hey aslane me Zoom ga emme bodu me challenge kamidi. Then UNC paths where some people were giving misalaka mikala UNC path dini localhost C Windows. You can actually go inside and host terega the data directory tere migota ves UNC. So this was also working on in this specific issue. So someone might even send me a log of majalakanging mihiko ayane log of the malaves phone wafa a link at likurima they get logged out of their windows. So then silly suri. So basically that was the flow which people were trying to attack. And this flow is not because of a Zoom. This flow is because people are setting up their environments. If you look at default Kobadanya, NTLM v1 is deprecated. Windows ka ane 10 ga, it's by default disabled. The moment you join a domain environment, it is enabled again. NTLM v1 and hashes can be passed. It's called pass the hash. The misala kamilya balam bernumani and etimana PC ga eba hurito, then you can open PowerShell and try this command to see whether your system supports NTLM v1 or not. If you're supporting v1, stop using v1 ASAP because it's not recommended. Then UNC attacks mitigate kuran and firewall ga me bes hama kure vedana me har host vejja host go sinnane firewall libuni me Windows system ga vs you can use hama ege inbuilt firewall. Then mikale chihi as an IT administrator you can set it up using the group policy if you want to do that. Then I will pass on to next misalaka NTLM attack vectors. This was something I reported to Microsoft. This was abusing Windows 10 on Excel when I tried the latest version of Excel. Dakalani so I'm just generating a file called misalaka in Excel file. And I listen with a rogue malicious SMB server. Then Windows by default, when someone tries to connect to a UNC, they are sending away their password. If you are using SMB v1 or v2 AGI, it will send net NTLM v2 hashes. So you can see here, I'm just generating a small Excel file. It works then on a funny these kind of attacks are called credential based attacks. This kind of attacks doesn't get detected on misalaka your antivirus or your firewall, they don't care about connecting to UNC because attacker, you're just trying to authenticate to something. So it's not an attack. You're trying to authenticate something by giving away your hash. Lateral movement based attacks. me credential theft avni college me the yanadi misalaka me hash libunima me hash crack now you can see an excel file huluwalima nicola me libuni emihaga username and IP address, what was the Windows host name, what's the username, then me report hash NTLM v1 ga I don't need to even crack this hash hama. You can easily ask that hash. Come in this specific case, we will try to save this hash and see whether we can get the clear text password. PC ga aslu password ki ko baat. So for that we will use John to crack this hash to see what it is. So if someone is sending you a UNC link, never click it. If you on a normal users taka west gega huregen work kuraro, put a group policy, put a policy in place where they don't connect to rogue. Hey, miharo emme bodu attack vector kami open wegen mi this kind of attack. You can see we got the password Miharo system there because he opened the file. So we can just if we are on the same network, we can just try using the same password by cracking the hash. And we can even take a screenshot of file lo hama. OS level ga hama venu kame kuravene. Then why I'm stressing so much on these kind of attacks is because now everybody is moving out of the network. Means you're sitting at your home. You're still able to connect Kuriga firewall alone, Kura ports. So this is a very big attack vector. So now the majority of the pen tests or whatever people do, they always target this. And the user on my file huluwa singene message chegatere hurikama ves. So my files tanastana PDF terega suradana UNC, me Word terega huradana UNC, me Bavro chetere huradana UNC. So anything can be used as an attack vector to extract your password. Once they have your password, they would try different user accounts, use Kura. So you can see I have tried to take a screenshot of that system an Excel and so we got it. A works on Windows 10. Our latest fully patched also is fully vulnerable in a domain environment if explicitly they have disabled NTLM based authentications. So I'll go back to my presentation. So they can crack your hashes, they can do anything. Then this is one of the biggest headaches. Misalaka ginatantaga VPN naves me use kurani integrate kofa me in any Active Directory I integrate kofa VPN naves me authenticate kurani. So this is one easy way an attacker can get your passwords and log into the network and do whatever they want. And they can start me enumerating, they can start me impersonating other users. Then misalaka bunanya evole me protocols terega CIFS, NFS, SMB. The SMB is pretty popular. Does anyone here know which company developed Furutama SMB, the protocol? Who developed this? हम MN यूज करो ना SMB मिहारो अने tech को ले रहा हमको हम file share kavanna your file server whatever will be using this. So does anyone know who invented SMB?
and if I don't know and Google kurung allowed the
Okay then. Anyway.
أنا
So
chat بانزها في IBM هي.
انت هن نفنا نيمي maximize كوبين نيما. بيمشي أكوراتي. أنا مي واحد دكالية تنقل فاسي كارنيجا. Because me to maximize Kurim, I can't see the chat.
IBM का again
Anyway,
IBM है ये
Ahmad is asking whether it's IBM.
it is IBM. CIFS was done by Microsoft. Gina me file servers where you are using CIFS. Come Gina me hama still kiani SMB. Nobody really bothers or cares about this. Fisker, the advantage is it supports NTLM based authentications are Kerberos. So if you are using Kerberos, this kind of UNC and mihako wahakada kate ba background ga
okay fine.
then on NTLM v1 v2 these are all legacy systems use kuranya you would be using it otherwise there's no need to keep this authentication protocols enabled. You can easily disable it off. Then Windows and a home environment you can't use on me AD and a group policy based auditing become registry to you can still prevent a lot of things. Then I'm going to be stressing about Kerberos based authentications. Kerberos, this is actually not, and it doesn't work. Sadaka, I can show you. I don't know whether I have this. Yeah. If anybody is on Windows, if they want, they can try to connect to this if they're wanting it. Habis me where to connect Quran? Then come me ko try kore tha. No, it was me though. Was that me? No, it was someone else. Anyway, if someone tries to connect to this rogue SMB, we can see an NTLM v2 hash. Then me correct nukobes meche abuse kuravidane me libe gadiga it can be relayed to another host as well. Then in my case it's not leaking my default credentials because I'm using a fingerprint auth and me Kerberos I'm using. I'm allowing him. But if I'm using an SMB, NTLM v1, v2, my hash will be now gone away easily. Then what a ginafahar hure me and site takuterego as image source ko me laugh as miharo and grab kuram again. So website and visit kuram ko samanengi. They will be connecting to this and me rogue SMB server. So it's very important. This is going to become one of the biggest attack vectors because it's so easy to compromise someone's login. Then implementing data security is on a totally different domain. What I'm trying to address here is weak authentication protocols, which majority of the people are still using. because they are unaware, totally unaware. Vara bodati tantam ves. Then miharu work from home implement again diyema. Kuriga vejja mitagen user ga security avisnam mijehedi. Still we are unable to give a solution fully. In that this user has now gone out into a home network. Home uradana IoT device, router can get hacked. There can be a compromised on someone else in the network. So there are so many attack vectors now for this person to be compromised and an attack to go into the internal network. Maybe go. So it's kinda Muranya, it's nearly impossible to mitigate all the attacks, but stop relying on NTLM based authentications and start using Kerberos. Then Kerberos use Curious, it doesn't mean you're secure. Kerberos tickets nagagin, we can authenticate without a user password, or we can even crack the password of using the Kerberos ticket. So don't think by using Kerberos you're safe. Nothing is safe, so we can use the defense in depth approach to make it difficult for someone to compromise you or your users. Then miharu midekki HE implement unoko for us to give an awareness on a session for general public is also very useless. Say implement again nana in the there is no way they can ensure their security. So because I think people someone would eventually fall for a phishing, simple phishing. We are saying this is worse than phishing. This is giving away your authentication password. The misala community they are a common nature. Majority of people don't use password managers. Mitaga kombeta use kurani password manager. Can you just say?
I use one.
Use. Then volete vesmia ko use kura.
Economist.
Annagam venu.
And I am sometimes stuck between password manager. I use kuram because in a lot of my assessments and attacks, these are authorized things where we take a key file and their main password. So I'm really stuck between whether I should start using a password manager and what me. So I'm stuck between that. And we have very famous leaks, misalaka LinkedIn, Dropbox, etc. So I can show you a little demo. Misaka how crazy me unhs. Just close this one. I'll start to. Take a far maybe. What I mean by this is Varagina websites they put on public leaks, and there are some services which collect all these password hashes and they sell it as a service. $2 per day spent Kogemes, you can get Varagina hash, you can search by domain, you can search by an email, you can search anyway. Come demo, I'm gonna be showing you misalaka to use something without misalaka. Come is domain aquí algo. Rangal domain. Hello.
Rangal domain to it's not an India.
Then it's changed. That's why I'm using it. Not that I'm targeting them. They have changed all their credentials. So you can see the attacker just tries to search for this domain. They could see clear text, BAR passwords, and these are combinations they can try. None of these combinations will work. Just showing you for educational purposes. So it's very common me password reuse attacks. People can try to reuse passwords. We have as well users aware we not to use their email hurihatanekka same password jahapa. Then organizations they can even subscribe to this service to see whether they have been compromised or not, even to check. Kita public leaks kato your email is found to be leaking information or whether aneti ofi huga FS user ko compromised vejjato nonto. Then despite doing all these things, we can't still implement security. So next thing what I would go into is implementing visibility SIEM. Me Rajag SIEMs Bengulani Varam Madhubai, Hama Beali, anybody. Everybody is going towards firewall, saying we're going to implement security using a firewall or a antivirus solution. You're not going to get even 50% if you don't have any kind of visibility. Hey, Gina Tantaga Ebahuri Hama, antivirus EDR solutions implement Kofa, they are totally vulnerable. And then they ask, why is our firewall not preventing the attack? Why is our antivirus not preventing the attack? It's not going to do much, because security is not something you work on when something goes wrong. So run column, I would be running visibility. In this demo, I'll be running an Elasticsearch class Kibana for visualizations. So Nitiga, I will show Kudako Hinekamitiwa Kurani. Then I'm going to use Docker comp. Then I'm just running a single node one because me testacle Vima. So you can see this is the database and me visualizations I use Kurani and this one. So if you are not using an SIEM, start using. This one is open source. They have a paid version as well, which has much more sophisticated features. Even on the free version, you'll be able to do a lot of things. And Miche implement Kurung is not difficult. I just wrote one command using Docker compose file just to initialize and run a monitoring stack. So you can see here it's running now. I think yeah, it's running now. Let me see at the start and see the database is up. The database is now up, connected to the database. Maybe I should give it a little moment. Then for this testing, I'm just using my default password. Just for testing, I will restart Kibana. You can see it's now trying to run. It's initializing. It's an app being too impatient. It's taking a while initialize again run. So once this platform is up, you can go into their website, Elastico. All of these are free actually, not APM. Misalaka, if you look at visualizing, beats Kobata. So I'm just going to explain a little more. This is the visualization, this is the database. And on a misalaka PC miyadimala me data phone, they have very lightweight me user me client agents created. Me agents and you can send any kind of data. Audit beat vajia tools and send huriha audit information. Audit information can be misalaka me folder me server going folder going file badalvi. So integrity changing. So you can see every hatch real time which user who what time it was brought in, whether a file got deleted, a file was modified, tampered with or anything. So audit beatung you can get all that information. From the file beatung you can get access logs. Like a web server access logs ke huriha information. Me hunna ne ki kahala. Eche misalaka. Let me just see whether it's back. Still not running. It's taking a while, I think, for the initialize marking. And I gave it 512 MB RAM because this is a test environment. And they have a pretty easy documentation how each of these can be implemented easily. How to install, how to configure, all those guides they provide are readily available. Your basic license does not. I'm not sure what I have done wrong, Nitiga, for it not to come. It shouldn't take Mihaginero for it to come online.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah, you are there, right?
I am here. I'm not sleeping. How am I going? So, adikiriya I check me phenomenon. Ane me suwalen etchen NDS me gadi rangalo aslu suwal kollang while I'm working on this.
Có bara hänga med ni dit då?
Even MN
Hello. Ko bara lägga suole.
ane 10:30 eddo eniga Aisha time.
10:30 engine.
Then I'm almost done. Then I kept Q&A. I could time for it. Unfortunately, I couldn't show SIEM because
Isse ane war gina faharange befene do organizations ta kumyaro ekka VPN anekati kogen diero temmi mireti gendie ita do two factor authentication ge by so ane gina faharang ekka me swal kolli mai babune eti den eha muhimmen nuwane rajya ka koyi echi balan uleni do war ginan iswa kure ekam ko ane gina faharang ane eswa kurima ehem bunefa den iru kolakun e baade do kommes mihen echen attack koggen kankam wate as organizations sun as ehen tibitantanu miharu den kine start kuram wi
they think it is not relevant.
war gina fahara consider kura kameddo ei wagotaki hamaikani let's say IT professionals sun ekanyenu mege decision minagani to war gina fahara decision nagani tankolen upper level link
then gina fahara decisions nagairos mi anna challenge mi cost annati do but miharu mi dekki echhega you don't have a cost. And on top of it, you are able to ensure additional security on top of it. And we gina tantang okay one kannege then gina faharu gina tanta tibe mi hong na tankolen udagu mi khala open echi try puram west because ane support ninnati. So they prefer ane era game huri echega kura kureven huri kota. Ei kannege vaje. Ekam miharu ane madum people are giving the importance to security.
So aslo mi session nang yama eba ahanne hiwani ke convince kodden tankole fase hawane hendo mikahada eche then how is about the users take up on this mibuni complicated echaka vedana heye two factor echellage mule kamawanyama
me user try mi korani user ge phone hama password me authenticator epum balala fa eti mi jahalani ekam gina far organizations takum midani complicated passwords edi tanegga copy koggen save kurumuge badalugat ma convenient wana kandite user they don't have to remember a password. Aisha ekkina fennani
ahannang hiwani aneng it can take a bit of learning time ekamaku ane policy ge gota gossiyama it should work hen ane security aslo mihun consider kuram ane do ginafara what I believe is mihuna nenge tiye ignore ko fa bandani to
ඒක අහලා කොටකස්ලෝ වණි.
Then I guess Miharu work from home Shima. We had a lot of issues around working from home and then security but it is quite simple then VPN setup for monitoring tools so what would be your take on that, like ever Kurima, is it enough? What more can we do?
Monitoring is very important. Monitoring Hama is undeniable. You will need it, and you can't prevent 100% security though. You can't. Being blind and being compromised for 3 years, I think is not good. Then ginatanta me serious kominagani antivirus ta because ane ransomware arafa ane data ekko encrypt wima eti recover nukura vidanati eyabbiru people are using the antivirus solutions. Visibility is something I think Hama is very important because me web me websites ta web services taka ichi avaha launch kurayro Hama bugs hunnane you can't avoid me huri hache. And for you to buy so many equipments and still not be sure is Hama pretty pointless, I think. Budget and how to compromise virus, no virus, nengenya. So my take would be like, say, to implement anything, even without work from home, they should consider implementing monitoring solutions. As though I was trying to show on a demo tereka, me get
Yes, I have a question.
What question, Naki?
Hindu, me working from home. Working from home ke bike karne ke that meetings and things so which are conducted mostly on Zoom or me bag vulnerabilities ke Zoom especially we have heard there is vulnerabilities in this.
I covered Zoom varaboda me session.
Yeah, it's a fix what is the update on that or what are the
Hindu ane waka dekiro inta.
I think I was not there. I came a little late.
And okay. So that vulnerability itself is not because of Zoom. It is because of how we have set up our environments. Misalaka, that kind of attacks are always being done again using Excel, Word, PDF. Attacks conduct, but nobody is having an issue. The Ginafaro attacks are not successful because the corporate firewall is there which blocks UNC outgoing. There's no firewall to protect them. Internet at the so they will connect to Rogue Assembly servers. So when they connect to Rogue Assembly servers, they can be compromised. They can get compromised. Then eti aslu ane me session ka fudera ka eti kawa kuring. Me warabodu attack vector kota dakkafa. Then me konghal authentication ane protocols can rely kurambi. And people need to stop using NTLM v1 or v2 ISAP. Then if they have legacy systems which SMB servers which support it, there's no way they can avoid SMB2, but SMB1 they can totally avoid. I think, yeah. Me monitoring me up so I had a little config issue. I think I had a config issue. Hindu, did I answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Zoom is also at fault. Problem is the way we are trying to connect to UNC. Me office takung implement kura was a group policy use of user protection danger because me have to link a phone we click kurima your password shouldn't be going outside.
Okay, thank you.
I had a question as well. What would you suggest, that they are forced to start working from home, though? Like 3 or 4 people, so what would be the easiest way to set up a VPN or maybe firewall?
Miharo, ane kuda office takuga. Do they have anything office terega user connect kuran benuwa?
Yeah, office set up in everybody will be home and so.
Office terega connect kuran neti aslu ane the VPN is also ide gina faharo kudi office takuga nuhure kannege internally connect kuran bodang emi hum Google Drive Dropbox eki khada gogotak kannege cloud ga kannege work kuran parak kudi office ta
Okay.
ane me and if they have anything they have to connect to, they can easily implement Hama. VPN existing system Hama kuda VM it's very unlike. Then Swale Neti Yakina Lamita.
Isage content cover vefado miharini.
MHM this week Madapurenge Masha first minute of the Pananta. I think it just worked and I restarted it.
Then asto ituru suwalan indejiyama you can connect with isse as well. Then in component nimma then isse available one aning mihara in the group episada hado every said kollana. And he has his email is also there. I have my email list ane pura vidane.
Then Aslu ane emme bodu challenging echekam hama work from home implement kurairwes and visibility netima bodati tantana corporates taka. Visibility is something hama all places they are lacking.
And why do you think it's lacking?
It's lacking because Rajyaga security itself is something relatively new. Then Rajyaga ane Gina Mulani networking professionals midani security terea. Then applications tere dani developers. Astu sida security ka focus se fe waki bai kono begina. They are it's a job role then me network gole mi huango security wala hattanya kurani. Then by tanta miharo madu DevOps concepts evajasa ekam security is still lost between there though nobody knows where they fit in. Emma ekahade check them saga gina beru tantaga vecha they have visibility and they have a small SOC teams Rajya Gadives me gina idara takung they don't even consider having an SOC because like you said they don't care, they think they don't have anything. And hekwa level get emihunga to be hurikam emihunga buden kure.
Then there is a question inge Muhammad ge question inge bang chat ga liyela fa. You can see the chat do ise.
I have a question. user password policy. It's a very common thing to have password expiry. Misalaka, again, Mohanad Mikuri Suwalado, even when you have a password expiry policy of 30 days, okay, the attacker within the 30 days got into the network, dumped all the NTLM hashes, stole the Kerberos user account, make KRB TGTK accounting in Nane. 80 service accounts badalen vesnuanege domain ga tibuna gotamni password badal kura they are easily sitting with it, and they create a golden ticket misalaka. That golden ticket is valid for 10 years minimum. Golden ticket is valid for 10 years. They can use that golden ticket no matter whether you changed all the passwords. At the end of the day, the Huriha password policy, Huriha etching in US, place is compromised. Everything is compromised. You don't have visibility, so you don't know whether you're compromised or not even. A bodo pass, misalaka haruna ingene monitoring implement kollima, monitoring a berugan anything automations. There are a lot of automations which can also be done. There are share on the screen.
And isse adi e bank kannege Mohanadge suwaluge be.
Share. Okay, ma however, there seems to be a mismatch with IT or such as past best practice. And Miharu, midani the area kange compliance ki muling tafatu eche compliance me hunga sabalani mite bahurito password reset veto mihuriha kame veto. They just care about compliance. They don't care whether the press is compromised or not. They only care about compliance. Compliance over saliko fitwane huriha eche. Misalaka ane CIS controls. These are fully focused on me policies. CIS ke check ane cover kurane boda hama sida sokka me APT attacks me khala persistent threats anna tantana. So me different organizations they can choose what they want to implement. Basic. Me hunge the level. I don't have the right documentation with me now. Document. Okay. Miss Eki organizations benuani eki level of security. I couldn't find the document. So they have if you are dealing with data of an organization, the way you have to deal is very different. If you are dealing with your own customers, that is different. And you use Kuraniti service, you are holding their data. The way you use EMA, you are transacting on behalf of other organizations. The way you handle might be different. EMA. CIS controls aki fudara ka sali eche badalan. Then gineng ISMS ke me basic policies implement kuruma case muhimu kame. I'm not saying policies shouldn't be there. Policies should always be there. Ekam policies are procedures are tihuriha eche they get bypassed hama most of the time. Miha kandeng and a policy oti coach comes. Hama a quality assurance officer was in Nanaginathan Tabalam whether and these people they are complying or not.
No, Mohanad is here. And can we go back? It's a conversation share kurawa buni menoda.
Me share kollani.
Because we have few minutes left though.
Okay. And me screen feneta.
Yes.
Me hanging kudako. One dark mode switch kollana. Me then a sample data set me ed kollani. This is a monitoring etche. Then maybe put free etido. So I'm creating a web and a sample log. The DBM create kollani. Then I will go into dashboard, create monitor. Okay. Me ane miga ane sample dashboard mini. So when you implement these kind of solutions, this is free, okay? About this whole dashboard, everything. Then amille hama me customize cover is kuravene, so you know eka waki gotaka veto. Then tibuni eka user password, misala ka service account vecha duago se badalen nuane because those are service accounts. Eka misala ka ya nuanna IP akun wadefi awagutung igene. Hey, someone who was not supposed to log into that has actually logged in. Misalaka meeti implement kurima hamekani mega faida mewani security kannu. You know if on your web server in me waki kahala API yakun waki transfer ane haikong about leto nota mikale abusing about leto nota application work or perform kureto kumistimala ke bajeheto performance enhance pura, and you will be able to pinpoint and mikala solutions implement kuriya. You can even create your own graphs ane for hama analysis sakankama misalaka. I will just go into this me sample data set vema windows ke ane authentication logs ponoi ms ika baur contact kurevene saka in the sense in bucket splice charts. I will take terms. Term terrain. Like I want to see a machine get OS takaki kobato. So 5 count maminege. I can even increase say on a 6 takashe. Methano I can even change on a last 24 hours skin. And I can just save this as a visualization test. And I can go into the dashboard. I can edit this dashboard and then come test ke aichaddo visualization na create kori. And imagine if you're having 100 servers or 200 systems plus, and analyzing data like this will make your life very easy. The meetiga miri and then me include kurieti and me dashboard venugotaka modifiers kurevene waki IP takum vannanya mepun and balale vene konta kunkineto. So you know authenticate nuance he region akum wes ebanne me China and Timanavanga user login with this is malicious. Then this is the me free version. So alerting is not there, and the paid version they have alerting. That's just the difference. The misalaka miha log sunneru to crunch these platforms are really fast. Are in PC gavarak kuda resource defenema. This is a bit lagging, but it is anehembunanya like 30 days mihare balali. The misaka 30 days miheng innerues and waki set of data har bedwani mihem balalang. I can zoom into that and just analyze what was that data about. And then it is not just limited to mikala visualizations tables, other bedwaja tables then. So it becomes really easy for you to know. Misaka, as an example, me complaint service nairo. Technical compliance taka ginafar, you don't know what the IT guy is doing even. You don't know whether the non-IT guy support staff kitto kurani naga login no whether if I intended to nonto. So mi huriha kamek kuravene miche use kurima. You'll be able to crunch this data, analyze this data at speed, and do anything you want with this data. So you can pinpoint events and try to address it. Because there's no firewall which will give you 100% security. The only way you can get security is first visibility. It's like the basic ane kuranje kame within etiya then forget it, you don't have any security. Hey, no matter even if you change passwords every week, I don't say there's any security. Okay.
Yes, ane එහෙමවීම අහරමෙන්න මීරේගේ ෆුදේවරක ගින බාතකේ කව කුරේ විජ්ජ එව්වෙස් මීහගේ අනේ සුවාලෙන් එබෙත්ත Okay, suada netiya aharmen hinga nimmalan de miyanna weekka aharmenge innane ituru ane mi low and mid level gole employees unnan hassakoggen inna mi session ne border security awareness session en aharmen kuriyakken dana next Wednesday ga. So we will be sending invitations ta hassakung office taka එහෙමම අනේ එම්මෙනම් බස් වර බොඩ අනේ ශුක්‍රියා 1.5 hours zaharmen na ko mire heda kolli kamatta den අනේ feedback in indjiya was feedback group ka liye dinun ede. Okay, bye.